This is an installation video for placing the Mind on a glass front vending machine. Before starting, turn off your machine and unplug it from the power source. Included in your installation kit is a drill template. Remove it and cut out around the template. Tape the template in place on the door where you will be locating your Mind. Pre-drill the 4 mounting holes using a 5/16 inch drill bit. Next, pre-drill the 2 holes for the ribbon cable slot using the same 5/16 inch drill bit. Remove the template. Finish drilling the 4 mounting holes. Next, finish drilling the 2 holes for the ribbon cable slot using a 1/2 inch drill bit. Using a hacksaw, create an oval-shaped hole for the ribbon cable. Slide the ribbon cable through the oval-shaped slot. Next, attach the ribbon cable to the LCD screen with the blue side facing up. Snap and close the black ribbon cable connector to hold the ribbon cable in place. If the connector is not closed, your board will not function correctly. Position the Mind LCD screen on the outside of the door. Hand tighten all 4 nuts on the LCD screen, then go over them with the nut driver. Make sure when doing this not to over-tighten the nuts, or else your Mind unit may not function correctly. Attach the Velcro included in your kit to a location on the back of the door and mount your Mind screenboard. Insert the female end of the power cord into the male end of the display board. If you have the newer 2.6 Mind control board, the mounting process will be the same. However, you will find your ribbon cable connector here and your power source here. Connect the Y harness to the existing MDB cable. Turn on your machine and make sure your unit is functioning properly. If you have any questions, contact the Mind department at Vendors Exchange at 216-432-1800 extension 408.